All right. We are in layout mode, so we are trying to figure out how to do our floor plan here. And let me tell you something. It's 95 degrees in here, and if you want to test your marriage, lay a bus out at 95 degrees. She wants to just throw things out and hope it works, whereas I keep saying that it has to be to scale, and she's not too happy about this whole scale thing.
Are you throwing me under the bus,
No,
so to speak?
I'm trying to get you in the bus.
God, I hear
I'm
you.
just saying that if you want to test your marriage, lay out a bus at 95 degrees.
It's not. It's more than 95.
Not according to the thermometer back there.
Oh, well, my thermometer says it's.
Terry's thermometer says it's 195.
Yeah.
So we have two totally different floor plans.
Oh my God.
Mine
Mine.
and hers. Mine's the scale, hers is pie in the sky. But we're gonna try Terry's layout. It's a nice one, so we'll try it and see if it works. There are some cool aspects to it.
What'd you say? It's a nice one?
It's a nice one. I like it.
Okay. Where do we start? Boss.
Right up there at the front.
You said you could start back here.
No, I said I was putting the GoPro back there.
Oh.
What we've got here is failure to communicate.
This, you still have your couch over here, right?
Right.
And the couch was 6 feet. So we're looking good right there. So there's the couch. Let's lay this section out right here then.
So the corner.
Yeah. So how far off the corner are you?
Oh, I would say I am approximately.
Count your squares.
4.
4 feet?
4 squares.
That's 4 feet.
Yeah, 4 feet.
No.
So you're already messing it
It's
up.
4 feet 8 from there to here.
Why would I
How
say
big is this cabinet here that you got
4
on here?
feet?
That's not correct.
4 feet going this way.
4 feet across diagonal.
Yeah.
This way.
Yeah.
And where does this start at? You mean start and finish
Right there.
Right here?
Yeah, because that's going to be enclosed. Look, see, this is going to be enclosed. No, actually, here. That.
So like from there?
Yeah, because this is going to be. There's going to be like a little semi-wall there.
Okay, now where's the desk go?
The desk goes on the other side of the couch.
What goes here?
The TV and the fireplace.
Okay, where does the TV go? Where's the fireplace?
Where it
where's this
ends,
cabinet?
Stan. Here, where it ends.
So it's coming straight out here?
Yeah.
What's with all this space right here? What do we do with that?
It's going to be something. But anyway, coming out right where
That's a
we.
waste of space.
No, it isn't.
It's a total waste of space.
I just don't understand your.
It's a waste of space?
It is not. It is making use of space, which is what I'm doing.
Why would you just not come out with a square cabinet?
That's
Use
stupid.
all of it.
That's use. That's waste of space. Just do it. Okay, mark it out. Because, huh? Because this is going to come out, and that's going to get shorter. It's going to come out. It's going to be like a L shape. It's going to be an L-shaped desk, so that the person that is sitting here, probably me.
Yeah, you're sitting there for sure. That's way too tight for me. That would drive me apeshit.
What? Why?
I don't like being in tight spaces when I'm trying to work.
Honey, you're going to be living in a tight space.
No, I mean like, I can't fit into a 2-foot space.
Look, I'm going to sit on our couch. I'm sitting in the couch.
I just see you sitting, that's what I see.
I I do what I do, I delegate. Terry, Julie, cruise director.
So next time, when we do my floor plan, then it's your turn. Okay, so here's the TV / fireplace.
Yep.
Okay, kitchen.
Hold on, we're gonna move this, we're gonna get my L. So,
How far is your L coming out?
3 feet.
How far is it coming out this way?
I think so.
Can we both fit in that space?
I don't know, what do you think? I'm sitting like this.
And I'm sitting like this. Okay,
Okay,
there's no desk.
okay. Cool. So then from the end of the desk, that's all hallway.
Okay, so it comes over here, turns, and then this is hallway.
Yeah, that's all hallway.
Okay.
Basically where your plywood. Okay?
Yeah.
So here, come here. Yeah, and then this is all hallway. Okay, the kitchen. Okay.
Is there any space between the kitchen
No.
and this?
No.
Okay. Told me
So what is that?
on that tape, tell me how far.
Which one? Here
Yeah.
or here?
No, inside, right there in that corner. How far does the kitchen countertop go down?
The one. Which square?
No, all the way, the whole length. We'll lay out what's in the cabinets after we lay out the length.
6 before it starts turning in.
6 to the inside corner, okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay, 7 down. Ah. Nope.
Okay, well then.
Maybe I can make it work. I might be able to make this work. Hold on. 6. Okay, let me see this. So 4. So the refrigerator is going to go tight to this corner.
Yeah. Or no, you're gonna have a little bit of space between the refrigerator and,
Okay, so I need to probably go like 4.5 feet then. So like right here is your refrigerator.
yeah. Yeah, okay, that's. Do you wanna go further in? I mean, then we're gonna be back to where we were before we even,
That's the problem. That's what we keep running into.
no, that works. It's tight, but I mean,
Yeah, I think it's supposed
it's
to be
not
tight.
well, then you're gonna have to move your, either bring this up and make
It's the same problems we were having with the original layout.
no, it's
And,
it's perfect.
So was the other layout, but it wasn't. When we laid it out, it didn't work. It was perfect on paper before we put it to scale.
Is that the refrigerator?
Yeah, so this is the refrigerator.
Okay.
Right here.
The front of the refrigerator where this is aligned with that, then it'd be better. Do you know? So then it would,
Yeah, if it didn't take up too much room back there.
it won't.
Why don't we lay that out first?
Okay.
Let's see if we got any extra space.
You're 3 spaces past the refrigerator before the opening to the bathroom.
Okay, I'm not concerned about the opening of the bathroom, I'm concerned about where the bathroom is.
Okay. We'll go
So you got a
3
pantry-
spaces
wait a minute,
past the
wait a minute.
refrigerator.
Where was your pantry? You got a pantry here somewhere.
My pantry's on the side, facing
Oh, right,
frontward.
it's right here.
Yeah, and it's not that freaking big.
So, well, yeah.
It's like a can size, like a can.
Okay, I understand that, but you have to frame it in, so that's gonna take some space up. I know, it's frustrating, but you can't just do it out of midair. it takes some material to build that up.
Okay, well, that's great, but it only needs to be like maybe 5 inches, 6 inches.
That's how much space you need for your
Okay, so
pantry.
whatever.
So here's what I'm trying to tell you. If I do it at the smallest I can do it is probably 1.5 inches, okay? So that's 3 inches. So I'm gonna have 3 inches of framing, so 1.5 inches on either side of your pantry of framing, plus plywood on this side or luan or something on this side. So you're at least another 1/8 of an inch. So you're looking at 3 1/8 inches minimum.
Stan, this
Just
is
in
this.
framing. Oh my God.
But you
There's
need.
nothing I can do about that. That's the kind of stuff that you can't. What am I supposed to build out of? How am I supposed to make your pantry?
You're gonna have to freaking make it work.
You don't care what
Just
space you're building.
lay it out the way I see it. This is what you do when you hang a freaking wall hanging.
This
This is you over freaking think
Now, this is
everything.
how I have to deal with customers when I was building houses.
Dude,
they
you-
don't understand the fact that you got to frame it out of something.
Well, you don't frame it out of
And
freaking
it takes space.
10 by 4s.
No, I'm telling you, I'll frame it out of the smallest material I can get, which is 1.5 inches.
I want a divorce.
So, for instance,
Dude, do the bathroom.
so off of the edge of the reefer, there's your pantry. That's how much
Great,
space.
whatever.
That's going to give you 5 inches.
Well, the pantry might not go there. It might be
Okay,
somewhere else, okay? Great.
great.
Do the bathroom.
All right.
Now what are you doing?
I'm doing bathroom.
Where's your throne?
I don't know. It's on your plan. You're supposed to.
I've told you to do the bedroom and come this way, then we can figure out the bathroom, but you're not doing that, are
Okay,
you?
Into the bed. I'm off the end of the bed. What do you
Okay,
want?
and how much space do you need between the end of the bed and to the closet so that you can access the closet? That's all I need to know.
Probably 16 inches.
Why?
So you can walk and move.
Dude, you're not walking through it like freaking
Come
the
and see
Taj
how much-
Mahal.
Come here and see how much 16 inches is.
Jesus.
That's 16 inches. That's
Do
pretty
you
small.
not remember the
That's 16 inches. That's pretty small. You still gotta make the bed.
Yeah, and I mean, I make the bed like this.
Well,
You
your-
don't make the bed.
your
You
butt-
don't make the bed.
Your butt's in the closet. Yes, I do make the bed.
No, you do not.
Your
Anyway.
butt is in the closet.
Yeah, so when you sit here, sometimes you sit and
Your
you...
knees are in the closet.
Oh, Lord. Figure it out, Stan.
I'm
Figure
just
it out.
saying,
It
you
needs
need
to
more
come out
space.
further.
You need more space than you think you do.
Then come out a little bit further. Okay, where is the end of the bedroom?
Okay, where I would say the closet should be like right here.
The end?
No, that should be the closet.
Oh.
And then you need to go another 20 inches.
Well, in there, your throne is getting smaller.
My floor plan's looking better.
No, my floor plan looks bad. No, my floor plan looks good. Yours is stupid. No, you're just trying to make it like it's
I'm doing it with the best I can. Sure.
Like you're
you
like-
take the tape, you lay it out.
who's the like the Jolly Green Giant. I mean, you can't be thinking like that.
You can't be. Okay, here's
Dude,
what you can't do.
how many times have we lived in an RV or a trailer?
Several.
Okay, and it's very small, isn't it?
Yes.
It's not big wide doors. You can't go like.
No, but it's laid out
oh,
well. They're laid out well. They're thoughtfully laid out.
Okay, this is 2.
Not when your knees are in the closet or when you bend over to make a bed, your butt hits the closet door. Right there on this side of that blue line is the end of the bed.
So there you go. That's the end. Okay, then the closet could be just proportionally there. 22 feet. 22 inches. Okay?
Move your foot.
Just. Okay, now, so that is here. So that's a wall. So So here's our
So this is the
bathroom.
closet.
Here's our bathroom. Perfect.
So that's the back of the cabinet.
Other, well, it says refrigerator.
Okay.
I
Okay.
think, no, the refrigerator's right here. So yeah, the back of the cabinet's right here. So,
Yeah, this is the back. So we're gonna come off of here, 3.5 inches. Okay, hold me 3.5 inches. That puts me, 5 feet. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
plenty.
there you go, there's my
Okay,
bathroom.
okay, wait. We're gonna have to change your layout though.
Why?